pressure meet yo arado non fashion show cheng bo bolo lang don bo mo fashion show bak lang kon bo ke cheng be jura nang lang don thara
Miss Freshers of 2024 Bukulia English Medium Higher Secondary School is Miss Simpi.
Sardong. All the chief guests.
Closing my mouth. Sital mana क्या था? Sital. हाँ. मुझे क्या पता? Atau kalian mau?
My name is Monsoon Jaran. I am from Art Stream. I live in Brino, Malaysia. I am 17 years old. My hobbies are playing badminton and listening to music. That's all about me. Thank you.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is BEMHSS. I am from Science Stream. I am 16 years old. I live in Sikarigat. My hobbies are listening to music, gardening, and reading over the old books. And my favorite subject is science. That's all about me. Thank you.
Emily, come here. I have told you that you have to introduce yourself in a creative way. Do you think that the way you introduced yourself, it was in a creative way? Is there any creativity? No. Okay. Now tell me, why do you think that you are eligible for Miss Pressure?
I think that believe on yourself and remember that everyone has beauty passion and we need to believe ourselves and we need to
Okay, thank you. Now Munsi. You have already introduced yourself, right? Now again. Introduce yourself in a creative way.
My hobbies are dancing and singing. And I'm 20 years old. I live in Rajapur.
My hobby is playing football, dancing, cooking, gardening, and athletics. Thank you.
From how long do you know each other? Since class 6, sir. Class 6. Now tell me, why do you think that she is not eligible for Miss Fashion? Not eligible. Because she is not beautiful. Listen carefully. I am not saying eligible, but not eligible. There is a not, L-O-T, not. Why she is not eligible for Miss Fashion?
Because this like
She is cute, so she is not eligible for Miss Fashion. She is cute. That is the defect in her.
and her height.
Her height. Because of her height, she is not eligible for Miss Fashion.
Not perfect.
You have Same question to you. Why this not eligible for Mr. Fraser? Not easy. Now introduce yourself.
Good afternoon to one and only one of our present here. So we kalian jadi saya from class 11 science stream. Actually I want to say that thank you for the teachers and our seniors who made this wonderful day for us, and I like it so much because this is the first fresher day of mine, and also it will be the memorable day in my life. And I would like to share about me that my hobby is to singing and studying and listening music. That's why.
My name is
A very good evening to our respected judges and all the mobile is something which is something useful. But if the person is using the mobile negatively, so it is wrong. And if you know, then there is most of advantage than you get for a mobile. And I think it depends on the person, because we can learn so many beautiful things through mobile. And I think the bad things are
No, you don't have to say.
Who will be the winner? Who will be Miss Fashion 2024 of Bukulia English Medium Higher Secondary School? Any guesses? Okay. Miss Freshers of 2024 Bukulia English Medium Higher Secondary School is Miss Simpi.
from boys. Any guesses? So, Mr. Fraser from Bukulia English Medium Higher Secondary School in the year 2024 is so Mr. Fraser of Bukulia English Medium Higher Secondary for the season 2024 will be Sardong.
the chief guest, along with our principal sir and president sir, please come on the stage. And
So may I request Honorable President SMDC of Bokol English Medium High School and Higher Secondary School, Sir Dilip Rompi, and ex-secretary or ex-headmaster of this institution, Bokol English Medium High School, Sir Dilip Kurukasa. Both of the Dilip Square is, we are very lucky. These are the two legends or the founder of these institutions. Both of them. So we will thanks to him, both of you, for being a present here in the ceremonial. So I request our SMDC President Sir Dilip Rompi to welcome Mr. Fraser. And Sir Dilip Kurukasa, may I request him to facilitate Miss Fraser. Okay, thank you. So, many congratulations to the winner of Mr. Fraser and Miss Fraser for the session 2024 of Bokol English Medium High Secondary School, and give them a big hand. Please make a noise. Simping TV, Miss Fraser of Bokol English Medium High Secondary School, and Sir Ong Bong Rong Han is the Mr. Fraser of Bokol English